Hi everyone, my name is Erica and I am the person behind the Lopsided Crafter brand. Knitting patterns, crochet patterns, yarn dyeing, all of it. You can find me on all the socials as the Lopsided Crafter. That would be Ravelry, Instagram, Threads, YouTube, which you know that because you're here, Etsy, Facebook, all of it. So today I am going to review and go over and show you what is in the August 2023 Sock Yarn Society subscription box. Now, I have been a subscriber of this subscription box all but 2, maybe 3 months since it came out last, over a year ago. I had to take a couple months off, and it was not because of the box itself. We just had some unexpected things come up. So, back into the realm of things, and so glad that I am. So, a little bit about the subscription box. It is a sock yarn box, so that it would be your fingering weight yarn. You can do sparkle yarn, you can do a high twist, you can do the Yummy Plush. I will link everything that you need to know below, so if you're interested, you can go ahead and get signed up, because right now they are open for new subscribers. Lori, which is the owner of the Sock Yarn Society, also owns Arkansas Yarn Company. I know you guys have heard me talk about her and her yarn store many times. So she goes out of her way with the extras that are in the box. You know, sometimes you may get stuff like rulers or extra notions that you just have a collection of. This kind of like strays away from that, and everything is like in a theme. And that's one of the things that I really, really love about this box. Each box does include a card that explains what is in the box and the theme. So for August 2023, it is Sunset on Summer. That is a very pretty postcard. So the the yarn this month is gorgeous. This month I opted for high twist. You can go in there and change the type of yarn consistency, whether sparkle, high twist, the normal Yummy Plush. You can go in and do that, but you have to do it before the 10th of the month, because after the 10th you're charged, and then that gives them preparation to you know, dye the yarn, that kind of thing. So excuse me, guys. I'm so sorry. So this month, the yarn color name is Sunset on Summer. And like I said, I got the Yummy High Twist, which is 85% superwash merino and 15% nylon. The Yummy Twist is 399 yards for 100 grams. So it's about... it's about 38 yards less than the Yummy Plush, but that's okay. That is okay. This is gorgeous. So you're like, Erica, shut up and show me the yarn. Look, is that not gorgeous? Beautiful blues and pinks and purples and orange and yellow. Oh my gosh, that definitely looks like a sunset. The beautiful yarn label by Arkansas Yarn Company. Again, this is the Sock Yarn Society, and it does say Sock Yarn Society on here. So if you buy yarn from them that is not Sock Yarn Society, it still has that same label on it. It just says Arkansas Yarn Company instead of the Sock Yarn Society, which I like that too, because then say you're wanting to put all Sock Yarn Society yarn into one large project, then you know if you grab it off your shelf that it's all Sock Yarn Society. But of course, you know, you could use both because they're from the same company essentially. But so this is the yarn for this month. I got squirreled there for a minute. Okay, every month you do get a stitch marker shaped in the state of Arkansas. It is a resin type stitch marker with glitter in it. And so each month the resin color will be different, which I like that. And then you typically also get another stitch marker. And because we're talking about summer, this month's stitch marker is this adorable little flip-flop. Cute. You're never going to have enough stitch markers. Okay. I'm just looking to see if it says, no, it does not. Okay. Our next item in the subscription box for this month is this tea. It is Plum Deluxe Tropical Vacation Loose Leaf Tea and Disposable Tea Bag. And these are now carried in the store at Arkansas Yarn Company. So I'm sure that if you found a blend that you really, truly enjoyed, that you could probably order them online. So yeah, you might want to reach out to Lori. They have an app. Okay. Hello. They have an app. Sign up for their app, sign up for their newsletter, get all the information. But this tea is green tea, coconut pieces, strawberry pieces, pineapple pieces, green rooibos, I know I'm not saying that right, pineapple, strawberry, vanilla essence, and it does say it contains coconut. It tells you how to seep the bag. So let's take a smell. I like hot tea every once in a while. So I can't smell anything yet because it's in this other package probably. Oh, and look at this cute little tea bag so that you can make more than one cup. Nope, I can't smell it, and I don't want to open it until I'm ready to use it so that that way it keeps its freshness. All right. So the final thing that was in this month's subscription box, which I'll be honest, when I got it in the mail, I was like, you know, because I was there a couple weeks ago, and I thought, like literally there. I went to the Arkansas Yarn Crawl, which that'll be either a video before this or a video after this. So I thought, did I leave something there? Because it was a thicker, like this is the mailer. It was plush. Did I leave something there? No, I did not. Keeping in the beach theme, and like I said, Lori goes out of the way for extras within this box. A Turkish beach towel. Is that not gorgeous? So I have to admit that when I seen this, I fell in love. Now, I don't have a pool. I have access to a pool, but I don't have a pool. But you know, I thought, oh my gosh, if you kept this folded in like quarters the way it is, would that not be, I mean, it would be a little heavy, but would that not be a beautiful, like, scarf for, like, if you live somewhere that gets really cold? I live in the South, so it would not be a scarf for me, but I honestly thought about putting this on the back of my couch here in my studio, or maybe even on the back of my chair if I'm out here and it gets cold. The temperature, it's really kind of hard to regulate the temperature out here in my studio. In the summer, it's really, really warm, even though there's an air conditioner. And in the winter, even though I've got heat, it's still a little chillier. So, I mean, this could be a perfect lap blanket even. So, absolutely, positively excited about this. Like I said, I have been subscribing to this box for quite a while, and I love it. I absolutely love it. Lori from Arkansas Yarn Company and Lindsay from Always Yarn First does a video every month to show you what is in the subscription box as well. So if you're interested, follow Lindsay on Always Yarn First, and then also follow Arkansas Yarn Cast because they have their own podcast as well. The value of this subscription service is out of this world. You are on average, and I'm actually going to start doing that next month for you. But on average, you're saving about 33 to 35% getting this all together versus buying everything separate, which is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I think what do I pay? $40 a month, I think. I don't remember because, like I said, I just changed to the high twist, and I can't remember if the high twist is the same price as the Yummy Plush. I'm pretty positive that it is. I know the Sparkle is more, and I do know that you have the choice of, like I said, Yummy Plush, high twist, Sparkle. You can get 1 skein or 2 skeins per month. And these colors are never released in the store. So they're only subscription colors. So I know in the past, Lindsay and Lori have done, the first year they did a ripple blanket cowl. I believe they're also doing another blanket this year. I think what I'm going to do is design my own Afghan with these yarns. So stay tuned for that if that interests you. Like I said, the Sock Yarn Society is open to new subscriptions right now. I don't know how long they will be, but there is an option to put your email address in so that you will be notified when they open to new subscribers. I want to say that she opens 3 times a year, maybe more, maybe less. It just all depends on, you know, the workflow. That, you know, there's just 3 of the ladies there that handle all of this work. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you decide to subscribe, let me know. Tag me on Instagram with what you got and what you make, and I can't wait to see all of the projects that come out of your Sock Yarn Society yarn. And until next time, happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye.